friends, it's Wendy and I'm with the Wendy Moore. I'm here tonight to show you my November unboxing. I'm just at the end of December and just getting this unboxed now. So shame on me. But tonight I've got two boxes. One is from my professional accounts order, and that is something that I'm grandfathered in. Young Living is not currently offering that to new participants, but I'm still able to order through that, and it means that I get 40% off of the retail price of the individual products that I'm purchasing, and I can use these for resale or in my business. And these are not full PV. That is also reduced based on, and that's personal volume. So that's also reduced. So just to give you a little understanding if you're not familiar with that. So I got actually 4 boxes of our Master Formula. This is a multi-spectrum vitamin. I've talked about it in the past. And this one, I love the portability of it. You get 1 oil capsule and then 3 powder capsules. And this gives you everything you need for vitamins and minerals. It's a fantastic product. So I got 4 boxes of that, and one of them is actually in my cabinet right now because I had run out. And then I also stocked us up on our Omega Gies. So I got 2 bottles of our Omega Gies. Those are our fish oil capsules. 2 bottles of Super Cow Plus, which is to help us support strong bones and joints. And then I also got 2 bottles of Agiles. This is the joint support product. And so that was in my professional account order. You also do not earn off of those any of the free monthly products because they're already discounted. So the next thing that I ordered was my Black Friday order, and oh my goodness, the sales that they were having on Black Friday were insane. I haven't even opened some of these, but I know this is a freebie. I haven't opened most of it. It was kind of a busy month this month. I'm trying to remember what all are the freebies, but I will. I think that's it. So, okay, so oh no, that's also a freebie. We'll share those afterwards. So I went ahead and took advantage of the discounted pricing that they were doing for Black Friday on the oils, and I ordered lemon. I just don't want to run out of lemon. I use it so frequently. I use it not only in my diffuser as part of blends that I like to create, but I also use it in my water, and I use it every single morning. I put 3 drops into my protein shake, and I typically start my day before my protein shake with a bottle of water with a couple of drops of lemon in it. I love, love, love lemon. And, you know, it's one of the best degreasers that I've found. So, sorry, cat just came in. So I will often use this to take off labels that are sticking on products that I've bought if I'm giving away a gift and I want to remove that label. It's such a good degreaser. I can use this as if I've got something. The other night I prepared some fish and it was a little oily, so I dropped a little bit of lemon directly onto my silicone pad, and it just took care of all of that oiliness. So I like to use it internally in the Vitality line, so that those are the ones that are labeled for ingestion in the white bottles, because I feel like if it can do that much with getting rid of gunk that we don't want, what could it do inside internally? So I love that. So I got 6 bottles of lemon. I also stocked up with an extra bottle of our Thieves Household Cleaner because it is the only product that I use in my home. You don't see me ordering this very often because a little goes so far. Just 1 capful of concentrate in a 16-ounce bottle will give me, out of this bottle, which is 14.4 ounces, I'll get almost 30 bottles of spray cleaner that's a household all-purpose cleaner. And as I said, I use it on every single surface in my home, from the ceiling to the floor and everything in between, because it works just that good on every single surface. I have granite, I have laminate, I have travertine floors, I have regular skip trowel ceilings, and I get spaghetti sauce on my ceiling, and this stuff takes it off like nobody's business. So this is my favorite cleaning product. I also stocked up on our Thieves essential oil, maybe not quite as many as the lemon because I already had a few on the shelf, but I went ahead and ordered 2 extra bottles of our Thieves essential oil. We are planning on doing some traveling here in the near future, and I love to use the Thieves on the bottom of my feet prior to getting onto an airplane. I also like to use it anytime we are in public areas like that, if it's an extended, vacation type thing, if we're in hotels and so forth, because I love the protection that this product gives me. Then I ordered another Highest Potential. I like to use this one. We enjoy going out for karaoke. I'm not the best singer. My husband is the one that does most of the singing in the family, but if you're going to go and sit, you might as well participate and get in on the fun. So I always use this, just a drop on top of my head, right at that soft spot before I get up and sing. And I feel like it gives me, along with, I layer it, because the next thing I put on is a drop of Valor after a few minutes. And I feel like these 2 oils combined just give me the confidence and the courage to get up and do what does not come normal to me. Let's see, I also got some additional peppermint oil, because peppermint's another one that I absolutely use daily. I love this in my water during the day. I like it after a meal, and that's using it with the Vitality line when you're going to use internally. This is one of my favorites in the color-coded bottles, in the colorful bottles. I like this in our diffusers. If you've not tried Christmas Spirit with a drop of peppermint, you are missing out. So stinking good. And then I ordered a few Citrus Fresh bottles, just because, again, it's one that I like in my diffusers. This is in so many of the blends that I enjoy using. So that's a lot of oils. And friends, these were 50% off the normal price during Black Friday, so how could I not stock up? I also got 2 bottles of our Dragon Thyme. This is our Bath and Body Gel, and if you've watched any of my other videos, I usually buy the base that's just the gel by itself, no flavoring or no scent to it, and then I add my own oils. But I wanted to try the Dragon Thyme, and again, since they were so heavily discounted, I went ahead and got 2 bottles, because if I'm putting my own oils in it, it's never quite as concentrated as what I buy from Young Living with the scent. And I just wanted a little extra oiling during this time of year. I also stocked up on our Thieves. This is our Aroma Bright toothpaste, and if you've never tried it, if you ever feel like you have sweaters on your teeth, and you know what I mean, just that feeling, I don't get that between brushings. I love this toothpaste, and it also has a brightening concept to it. And when it first came out, they showed us a picture of somebody who had eaten blueberries, and we all know blueberries have a tendency to stain. And then they showed using the Aroma Bright toothpaste, and the teeth were so much brighter and got rid of all of that blueberry staining. So I love that one. I also stocked up on Shutron 3-in-1. This is a face wash, shampoo, and a body wash that my husband uses every night in the shower. So we stocked up on an extra bottle while it was on sale. And I love our sandalwood lotion. This is a moisturizer. It can be used for any part of the body. I have been using it on my face as the temperatures have dropped a little bit to give a little bit added moisture, and I'm enjoying that very much. So I was out of that and needed to stock up. Now to our freebies. Digest and Cleanse is a freebie. You can take this prior to your meals, and it just helps with the digestion process and the cleansing. And that's so important for us, because really, we don't, this time of year, give a lot of thought to what we're putting in. And if you're a normal person, you're probably consuming things you wouldn't normally consume during the rest of the year. So this is a really good product that we will be using during the month of January religiously. I also, as a freebie, got our Thieves Chest Rub. I've not tried it yet. I cannot wait to try it. So this one is, I haven't even opened it, and I'm not going to because I can't find the little sticker with these lights in my eyes. And the Young Living Vitality Drops. These are to go in our water, and I had not tried them until just recently. They had the energy ones with the jade lemon and berry flavored. This one is the grapefruit flavor, so I can't wait to try this. This is an electrolyte. And then we also got, this is our hand sanitizer. And yes, we can say hand sanitizer because we've had all the testing done. So this is a refill for our small bottles, or it can be used as a pumper or the large bottle all by itself. We also got, as a freebie, this was with any purchase during the sale. So we got a little travel size bottle. I always carry one in my purse. So I can either, use this as a standalone with the pumper, or it's got a squeeze top also, or I can refill my bottle to carry in my purse. So that's a lot of product to get in 1 month. And I can't wait to be back with you and share with you my December order. My loyalty rewards order just processed on the 26th of December. So that should be coming in